Welcome to Tech Info Guruji. Today, we're going to demystify game development in a way that everyone can understand. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious, this video will help you grasp the basics of game development. Let's get started. Game development is the process of creating video games. This involves designing, programming, and producing interactive experiences that can be played on various platforms such as computers, consoles, and mobile devices. Video games are a major part of the entertainment industry, offering immersive experiences and storytelling. Understanding game development can give you insight into how these engaging worlds are created and what goes into making a successful game. Game design, creating the concept, rules, and mechanics of the game. This includes the storyline, characters, and gameplay features. Programming, writing the code that brings the game to life. Common languages include C++, C#, and JavaScript. Art and animation, developing the visual elements of the game, such as characters, environments, and special effects. Sound design, creating the audio elements, including music, sound effects, and voice acting. Testing and debugging, ensuring the game runs smoothly and fixing any issues that arise. Game engines, software frameworks like Unity and Unreal Engine that provide tools to create and render game worlds. Graphic design tools, software like Photoshop and Blender for creating game art and animations. Programming environments, integrated development environments, IDEs, like Visual Studio for writing and testing code. Mobile games, games designed for smartphones and tablets like Angry Birds and Candy Crush. Console games, games for consoles like PlayStation and Xbox, such as The Last of Us and Halo. Indie games, independently developed games like Stardew Valley and Celeste. Game development is a fascinating field that combines creativity and technology. By understanding its basics, you can appreciate the effort and skill required to create the games you love. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Info Guruji for more tech insights. Join our community by subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Visit our website for more in-depth articles and tutorials on game development and other tech topics.